Welcome back to another video from Garage Mods and Builds. Today we are doing
a replacement.
a replacement.
We're not modding anything.
We're doing maintenance on my daily. We gotta do it today because we need it for work tomorrow.
I think we might have watched the same video.
That you need a 1/2-inch ratchet or power handle. Yeah, young people call it a breaker bar to get it off. So you can see how shiny it is. Those of you who know cars, that's coolant. He went to Walmart and brought back a busted water pump. I didn't know Walmart sell those, but apparently they do. So, since he was driving it, he's doing the job. Help. You know, it's a good thing you don't have a noose around your neck. Yeah. That's how I hate people. This is not necessary, folks, but
it keeps us from trying to remember a bunch of stuff.
Yeah. There's a bunch of terminals. You can go through them holes, find them, pop them off. That's what he's about to do. Yeah, you don't destroy my water pump, guy. Hey, you know what? Let's stop, pause, go get the tent. Them two's gonna be hot as hell.
Right here.
So I had to tell him, get the tent, get the good one, because the bad one is over there. I left it over my G35 and the wind pays us a visit. Yes, ma'am. How can I help you? Yeah, because it's hot. And take the jacket off, please. You can't work underwater. Your grandfather used to tell me that all the time. If you drop tools, every time you go down to get them, you're going to run out of air. Never get the job done. Snap, hold on. Let me go get a drain pan. Alright, doing the responsible thing, not letting it drain onto the driveway, into the grass. God forbid there's cats and dogs to come lick it up.
Frogs, however.
Hey. But once it's off, we'll show you guys what the damage is. I hope the internals of the actual housing are not damaged.
I as well.
Alright, he finally got it loose. Pull it up. That's one. Something just dropped.
Yeah, it's a bolt.
Alright, let's see what the inside look like. Ooh. You can see where the water pump was rubbing. Housing doesn't look bad. Hold that. What the? So, yep. It's still hot. It's still hot. It's still hot. Look. All right. Let's go find a parts store that has it.
All right.
Go get your wallet. That's the best joke I made all year. And you ain't even more yet. Come on. Go get your wallet, son. Go get your wallet. All right, let's go.
But before we go, I gotta get that last bolt.
So we came out to the advanced place. The girls wanted to tag along, learn some stuff. So let's go see what our bill's gonna be.
All right, Jeremiah here. We got the new water pump. Got some other goodies and whatnot to have a clean windshield. Might share, might not, who knows. And then we got the belt in the back. Show me the, yep, there we go. You're doing good. That's a belt. But on our way back.
All right, we got the water pump, new gasket, belt, and we have coolant. Pay no mind to the bottle. All right, let's go get install this.
I promise.
Clearly the difference. Let's see, the bearing got loose on that one, and there, here's a new. Hey, wiggle that piece and make sure it's tight. All right, go ahead. Fill her up. All right, folks. Easiest burp ever. It's done. New parts installed. Got it up to temp. It's running fine. Reservoir is full. And we can thank this young man. He has learned something in the past 4 years because he did the work. I just watched him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
So
might have to retake that.
Retake what?
That clip.
I ain't retaking nothing.
All right.
Because you're still a noob. Right, Adam? Let me hear your comments, Adam. Well, we know how we did. It took him about 15 minutes. So.
That right there could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
I'm wearing my Target Designs Get Up today.
Yo, check me out. Check me out.
But you guys know, channel has changed to Garage Mods and Bills. And we also bringing out merch with a new channel name. Hope you guys show some support, show some love. Being a tech myself, I did YouTube. Make sure I was going the right direction. Make sure he was going the right direction. And gotta say thank you to Rels the Car Guy on his channel. He did this 2 years ago on the exact same vehicle. Well, he did a 5.3, we did a 4.3. So thanks to Rels.
Coming soon.
Appreciate it. And made it quick and easy. All right, what?
Thanks for watching the video, guys. Bye, guys.